Good morning. With God, all things are possible. This is my 2020 R1250RT. I'd like to let some of you guys know about some of the Farkles that I've added to this thing. First thing is my Ilium Works crash bars and the relocation kit for my fog light. And my deer whistles. I got them identically placed on each side. My headlight lick'em stick'em that I custom made and cut out and put on there. You can see I've got a little bit of a delamination right here, but I'm fine with that. Keeps the dings and nicks out of the plastic on the front there. Excuse me. Here's my GoPro mount for looking forward. I just mounted it about a half hour ago, so I'm not sure what the footage is going to look like, but I'm going to give it a shot and see. I've got the swimming noodle packed in behind there. I cut a couple of pieces to make it a little more stiffer because it kind of just was a little tiny loose, and I was thinking that it would have some vibration, but I mean it's pretty solid now, so I'm thinking it's probably going to do a pretty good job. I don't use the GPS. I mean, I probably will if I updated and got a newer bike that's got it built in. Yeah, sure, but I like to use my Waze app, and that shows me where potholes and deer and the po-po's at, so that helps me maintain some stuff there, if you know what I mean. My first thing here I really like is my phone holder. This holds the phone really nice. And my drink holder for my hydro flask. And these, I believe these are my Ilium Works bar risers. They bring the bars back a bit and up. I'm 5'11", and so it does perfect for me. It raised it up and moved it back just right for me. You can see it a little better there. And it's very rigid. You can see this, it doesn't move. So I mean, it's very rigid. It hasn't moved on me yet, and I've got 7,000 miles on it, and it holds it real good. Been over many holes and stuff. Here's my rear mount for my GoPro. Just put it right on the pannier. Does a good job. Here's my other one. I just mounted this one yesterday. I haven't used this mount yet either. I had the mount on my helmet, and the wind hits me, and it just makes my head, pulls my head back because the wind hits me right on top of my helmet. So anyway, that's my other mount there. And of course, these are the Ilium bars are awesome. If you drop your bike, you ain't got to worry about hitting the saddlebags or anything. If you go to Ilium on YouTube, they show that the guy dropped his bike right in the parking lot, and it doesn't even hit it. I've dropped mine once. You can see the little scar right here, and it didn't hit nothing. Didn't mess nothing up. Nothing at all. So they work perfectly. Now, if you do a complete rollover, yeah, you know, you're gonna mess your mirror up and your windshield and whatever else, you know. But they do a really awesome job if you just kind of drop it in the parking lot or whatever. Very nice. I got a top case. It's in that room there. Oh, never mind the mule sitting in the corner there. It runs. Yep. That's my play around bike in the mud, dirt and stuff. That's about all I got. So, thanks for looking, and remember, with God, all things are possible. Have a blessed day. Thanks.